Mr. Chair, our position on the bill is that it violates the fundamental human rights provisions of the Constitution. It is, in our view, a measure of the ultra extremism and totalitarianism of the bill that it somehow succeeds in violating virtually all the fundamental human rights provisions of the bill. That one bill, one law, somehow has managed to violate every fundamental human rights provision in the bill. What do we mean by that? Now, by stigmatizing in the memoranda the LGBT community as inhuman or a taboo or alien to Ghanaian society, the bill grossly violates Article 12, guaranteeing the fundamental human rights of every person, subject only to respect for the rights and freedoms of others and the public interest. It equally violates Article 17, Clause 1 and 2, on equality of all persons before the law, because it separates LGBT persons as if they were not human beings and seeks to apply an equal law to them. Now, further, the bill seeks to promote customary values and practices which Article 26(2) of the Constitution prohibits as dehumanizing and injurious to the physical and mental well-being of the person. This bill, Mr. Chair, actually attacks the very personality of LGBTQ persons and dehumanizes them and seeks to cause injury to their person and well-being by the provision that makes them liable to imprisonment upon conviction for their identity or LGBT activities. Again, Mr. Chair, Clause 212 of the bill contravenes the fundamental right to freedom of expression and speech, including media freedom, guaranteed under Article 21(1)(a) of the Constitution. It goes to the absurd extent of criminalizing sympathy for a prohibited act and promotion of support for change of public opinion. The bill criminalizes the promotion of support for change in public opinion with respect to LGBTQ matters and sanctions that by a term of imprisonment of not less than 5 years and more than 10 years. So where a person exercises freedom of conscience, freedom of expression, to sympathize with LGBTQ people, the sponsors of this bill want this democratic republic to make that a criminal offense, liable on conviction for a term of imprisonment of 5 years or not more than 10 years. Mr. Chair, this is not the republic that Ghanaians fought for. Now, Clause 15 seeks to disband any association or organization in existence before the bill. And Clause 16 seeks to prohibit the promotion, formation, registration of any organization or association with the purpose of promoting or supporting an act prohibited under the Act. Both clauses are in direct contravention of Article 21(1)(d), which guarantees the right to freedom of assembly, including freedom to take part in processions and demonstrations. So let's take a typical example. Supposing that, as is going on in the country right now, LGBT people are being attacked and beaten up, thrown out of their homes. If this bill became law, they don't have the right to go out and assemble and demonstrate to bring the state's attention to the fact that they are being assaulted. If they did so, there's double jeopardy, because in addition to the fact that they are being beaten and attacked, they would have committed an offense under that.